Look at this, new scene, new me. Whoa. Wouldn't have thought so, just can't be bothered filming in the other scene. Hello, my name's Cam, and if you're thinking of going to VidCon this year, here are some of my thoughts and expectations for the weekend ahead. Oh, hang on, Casey Neistat would have done that way smoother. Thoughts?
Boys, we've bloody made it.
When I rolled into VidCon 2017, my expectations were immediately heightened because I was lucky enough to score a all access pass as opposed to my little creator pass that I came in with.
The lovely man over there, Alan Dixon-Daxon, has managed to upgrade us from our creator pass that we've got to full access. Pretty intense, isn't it, bro?
Very intense, and I don't even know what to do with myself.
Some of the guys that I was with are serial hustlers and met the right people and managed to score us all passes. I'm not saying that's going to happen to you or to me this year. That's just what happened to me last year, and it was an incredible, incredible experience.
Gabby show going large. Well, that's the situation.
One of the huge things that I learned at VidCon was the ability to hustle and get your name out there and shake hands with every person that you can. If you see someone with the camera, if you don't see someone with the camera, if you see someone that looks interesting, go up to them and say g'day. Say, hey, I do X, Y, Z if you're a creator, or ask them, what do you do? How do you film it? Where do you put it? I'd love to consume your content. That's what VidCon's all about, in my opinion. Getting out there, talking to people, networking, and also finding new creators that you can really obsess over, enjoy, and delve into their content. It's a celebration of video, it's a celebration of new age media and content creation in that space. During my time in 2017, I got to meet an amazing amount of creators, one of which being Liza Koshy.
Hello, sorry, Australia. Good day, mate.
That's all I needed, thank you.
Okay, perfect. I love that. That's my favorite content of all.
Liza, I know you're not watching, I know, I'm aware, but if the off chance you just happen to Google search or YouTube search VidCon 2018 and this comes up, I don't know if you're a beer drinker, but I feel as though a nice Cooper's Pale Ale is calling your name.
Cooper's Original Pale Ale. Australian made, Australian owned.
Got him! Last year I didn't go to too many lectures, seminars and talks. That's because of the situation that I was in, having the cheeky little pass for all access. This year, because I don't have that as solidified, I think I'll be going to a lot more talks and taking a lot more notes and learning about the future of new age media. So I'm going to go to Melbourne for 3 days, starting from Saturday morning all the way to Monday afternoon. I'm very, very excited, and hopefully if you see me around, walking around like an absolute douchebag, say g'day.
How's your VidCon going, bro?
Met some cool people, had some cool drinks, coffee, tea.
So I don't know what's going to happen. It's going to be a fast and jam-packed 3 days whilst I'm there, and I'm looking forward to it. Glad and kind of annoyed at myself that I bought the spontaneous tickets like a week ago, but here we are. So I better make the most of it, I guess. Networking, chatting to creators, and learning during the talks, and drinking beers, hopefully with Liza Koshy.
Sorry, Australia.
It's not going to happen.